In order to create a custom voice for Bixby on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. In the settings, we need to scroll down until we find Advanced Features and then choose it. Now at the top, go to Bixby. And then here, go to Language and Voice Style. And here we have the option to create custom voice. So if you go over here, press Download. And we need to update the Bixby Custom Voice Creator, at least in my case. And after that, we can go back and choose this option again. We need to allow Bixby Custom Voice Creator to record audio, so we can choose while using the app. We can allow notifications as well, and then we can press Start. Now we need to say the following sentences. We want to read aloud those sentences. You can set the name for your voice and press Done. And there we go. Now over here, Bixby will try to keep listening to your voice as you say things aloud in order to create a pattern and save your voice to know how you sound. Of course, you can stop this process in the meantime if you wish to in order to delete all your recordings, but that is essentially it. If something else pops up after that, you want to simply proceed with the instructions that should be visible on the screen. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!